Hey guys, I'm doing a quick video for you guys to kind of help out with some of the stuff that we're doing this job, because I don't know if I'm going to be here when you first get here in the morning. So we are pretty much painting everything in this house. Windows, walls, doors, trim, base, crown. Older house, a lot of wallpaper. Wallpaper is getting stripped. I started on that today to see how it's going to work. It's actually stripping really nice. So on the windows in this room, these shades will come off, put them in the basement. All the security features are on the phone, on the window. These brown things can come off. If they have any kind of locking mechanisms like this, those come off. And then use some putty to fill holes. All this wallpaper comes off. All these brackets come off. Any picture hangers, any of those come off the wall. Wires that are there, you can take wire snips, clip them. All the outlet covers, take them off. We're going to throw them away. They're going to replace them with something else. That includes these. This system, you can take it off. You can clip it. It is no longer, it's there, but they're not using it. The corner alarms, there's one there. There's one there, can come off. You can see where some of the issues of the plaster will be skim coating in some places. Again, the wallpaper comes off. That CO2 thing is garbage. The outlet's garbage. Any place where there's a detector, they come off. Again, more wallpaper that's coming off. These plates, garbage. The toilet paper holder will probably stay because they don't have anything else different in there. If there's a question, keep it, but anything that looks goofy, you can throw it away. These shades are trash. The window hanger's trash. That window hanger's trash. The wall here is wallpaper again. Whatever that thing is, that can come off, go away. The phone jacks on the floor, we cut them off, throw them away. More wallpaper in this hallway. This room, again, more wallpaper. It's all coming off. The plates that are here, all trash. Those brackets are trash. This thing, it's not being painted, so we'll put it in the middle, wrap it in plastic, and it's going back. These doors are not getting painted. These natural wood doors are going to stay as is. Again, phone jack comes off. Outlet covers are trash. The cable cover that's there comes off. Throw it away because it's garbage. More phone jacks there coming off. All these window things come off. That hook is coming out. These blinds, any kind of wood blinds or wood looking blinds, we're going to take them off. All the mounting hardware that's on it, these pieces, be careful with them, take them off and put them in the basement. If it's a wood painted door like this one, it'll get painted again. So these will get painted. This orange one will get painted. These two orange ones get painted. I started pulling paper in some places to see. So it's actually decent shape. So the plaster or the paint is actually peeling off the plaster. So it's not horrible, but it's not great either. And I didn't have any drop cloths because I have to mount you guys, so I made a little bit of a mess. We'll have to clean that up, and then paper should be here in the morning for that. The kitchen, we are gonna roll out all these doors. So we're just gonna do that here where I can take them to the shop. Here's another hallway. Papers started to be removed. This door's getting painted. All the door, the handrails, we'll take them off prior to painting. Phone jack comes off. They can clip it and put a blank on there. Then we go upstairs. It's more wallpaper that's coming off. These brackets on the window come off. More peeling paint, surface cracks that we will have to fix. More wallpaper here. They had the floors redone 2 weeks ago now. This is just paint. The ceiling, another smoke detector coming off. This has got that stipple. We'll fix some of these cracked areas where we can. Otherwise, it's just getting painted. This room, it's just paint. That toilet paper holder, they said take off. That shade, they said come off. It's supposed to be warm. If it is, they said they left this air conditioner for us. We can turn it on and use it. Again, these the shades come off, go in the basement, and these whatever. The shutters come off, go in the basement, keep all the hardware. That shade comes off. In here, the 2 hooks in the ceiling, those come out. Anything that's on the wall comes out. All these shelves are being painted. Doors are being painted white. Again, the phone jack, outlet covers are coming off because they've been painted and goofed up. So they're coming out. And I think here, this room's got wallpaper upstairs. It's the only other room with wallpaper. So that's the grand scope of the project. So you can kind of get an idea of what we're doing. The floors, I have protective paper that was supposed to be here on Friday, and it's supposed to be here now. It's still not here. And then we'll have some different tape. We have to be really careful because the floors were just done. So we need to cover these floors. When we put the paper down, we're gonna tape the base trim. So we'll put the paper down and put the tape against the trim, not on the floor, because we don't know how this is gonna come off. And then when it's time to paint, it'll be next week. It'll be 3 weeks to cure. We'll cut the tape from the tape and paper, and then we'll put new tape down, and we'll just do a nice line all the way around. So that's the plan. Plenty of work, plenty of plaster repairs, and then caulking of trim and all that fun stuff. But just to get you going and a good grand scope of all that we're doing, that's what we're doing. All right, we'll see you guys soon.